Namaste. I hope that you are fine, that you've begun this week on a beautiful note. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the tarot for this week. What does the tarot have to guide us for this week? But before I begin the video, people who do not know me, I'm Ruhi Ahluwalia, a coach and a therapist. I help people to maximize their potential in the sectors of health, career, relationship, and finances. So let's begin. So we have this card that tells us that this is the week of opportunities, but more than that, this is a week where we have to be strong. We have to be physically strong, emotionally strong, mentally strong, because this strength will help you to surpass all the challenges and all the difficult things that you may face this week. I'll explain you why. Because when I look at the cards for your professional life, which are these two cards, this tells me that there's going to be let's begin with the good news. So the good news is that you will end up harmonizing things in your professional life. I see people signing new contracts and fixing things the way it should be fixed. Legalized official matters will be fixed this week. But at the same time, I see a lot of doubts and not a sense of clarity that is missing. So that is why this week work on your emotional mental strength to get that clarity so that you can take great decisions in your professional life. As far as the finances are concerned, we have these two cards that tell us that this week you may unblock some finances that were stuck in the long past, or you may have a new amount of money coming in your life through new signatures, signing of new deals, or somewhere some legal matter will be unblocked for some people. Again, this is a very generic reading, so this does not apply to everybody, but I do see things getting fixed up legally also as far as the finances are concerned, and that is good news for you. So as far as the love life is concerned, we have these two cards that tell us that this is the week where you have to go slow and steady. No hasty decisions, because I see people taking up maybe impulsive decisions and regretting later on. So that is why this week, just work on your mental strength. Get that clarity first before taking any important decision in your life. As far as the health is concerned, we have these two cards that tell me that some people may have troubles related to their back and the skeletal system, where the bones are concerned. You may have some sort of problem. So this is the week where you must try and work on your skeletal system, kind of, core exercises, strengthen your back, because this will really help you. So again, I talked to you about the strength as I began the video. So this is the week to really strengthen yourself physically as well. As far as the message of the week is concerned, we have this card that tells us this week we must have an approach of a tortoise, which means slow and steady wins the race. No hurrying up, no impulsive decisions. Be calm, work on yourself, get that strength, and everything is going to unfold in the most beautiful and surprising way then. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Also share this video with at least 3 people that you know to help inspire, guide others. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel to continue to receive further notifications. Until then, I wish you a beautiful week and lots of love.